So when the Lisboa racetrack used to be here, you could people would sit in here and you could just look out the windows and just watch all the girls just constantly go back and forth right in the space. But that's all been banned, and I guess what was happening was it was connected to some mainland mafia. They look like kind of mainlander.
Chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the Lisboa. We're gonna go inside this one. This one was what first casino in here, so there's definitely stuff to walk in and see. We'll see. Oops. Oh. Okay. That car's coming fast. Let's get across as soon as we can, and then there's the entrance right there. So we'll probably get stopped, but we'll see what we can do. So let's go check it out. And it looks like you can just go right through. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna walk around and check this out. So this is the Lisboa, first one in Macau. And let's see which way we should go here. There's also Grand Lisboa, and they're definitely connected in some way, but I couldn't tell you how. Maybe one of you can, because this is a periphery part. There's parts that are upstairs and downstairs. One thing that sometimes people might refer to online a long time ago was the Lisboa racetrack. I don't have any film of that, of course, because it's long gone. But that was something that was here 5-6 years ago when I first got here. I got here almost 7 years ago. But that was basically like, kind of show you some of this stuff here. That was basically prostitutes. There's girls that could just walk. They had to walk. They couldn't proposition people. They just had to keep walking nonstop, as if they were going somewhere, and then they were allowed to work. That's the casino floor. Okay, so this is still part of the lobby here. Lisboa Salon. So this one, I have to be careful where I film, because if I film any casino floor, then the camera's gone. So aquarium. Ooh, there's a lot of fish in there. Okay, so we're gonna come around to this kind of other area. So basically all I can really show you is just the shopping parts that's inside. I'm sure there's promotional stuff that'll show you the casino floor, but actually I find that most of them are kind of similar. It's like a tea shop. Pure herb pudding. Do not touch, extremely hot. Huh. Yeah, so when the Lisboa racetrack used to be here, you could people would sit in here and you could just look out the windows and just watch all the girls just constantly go back and forth right in the space. But that's all been banned, and I guess what was happening was it was connected to some mainland mafia. They look like kind of mainlander working girls, but they would just kind of pace back and forth. But yeah, now that's all long gone. And I wonder how this business is doing now that that's finished. But sometimes I sat in here a couple times and just kind of watched the parade like that. But you'd also see like lots of just regular people, like with families who checked into the hotel. And I think they were often a little bit surprised at the large amount of women that were just pacing back and forth. But yeah, that's all. Sometimes I still see it online. There'll be some website talking about it, but it's all gone. But this is what it used to look like. It used to just come through this area. I don't know if the price tags are on these or not, but there's a lot of gold in Macau. I don't see the price tags for these, but sometimes I'll look at the price tags and I'll film it. And if you search some of my older ones with gold, I'll definitely show the prices. Anyways, I'm gonna end this right here, but you can at least see what it looks like. Okay, you see this funky building right here? This is the Lisboa. So in a minute I'm gonna go around the other side and I'm gonna walk in, and I'm also gonna show you the Lisboa racetrack. And that was where all the prostitution used to take place like before, so sometimes you'll see stuff about that online. And then over there is like the MGM and the Wynn. But yeah, this is gonna be the focus now, and I'm just gonna go through the lobby. Can't go into the floors, so it's illegal there to confiscate and take my camera. But there's Grand Lisboa as well. But yeah, this is the focus for today.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.